I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility, cash or pre-approved financing, relevant skills, and time available. Once done, narrow to 3-5 service niches and size bands so your search is focused. Make contact early. Reach out to brokers, scan listings, and send a brief value note to owners. Use an NDA before getting financials. You do this to preserve deal flow and avoid lost opportunities, and to force clarity on what type of service business suits your strengths and risk tolerance. Now you dig deep. Request 3 years of P&L, balance sheets, and contracts, then normalize earnings for owner perks and one-offs. As you review, interview key staff and top clients to validate retention and delivery capability. Simultaneously model valuation with SDE or EBITDA multiples, a 3-5-year cash flow forecast, and sensitivity tests for client loss or price pressure. Make sure to reconcile accounting with bank statements and verify any recurring revenue claims, because that drives you move to close by agreeing price and structure, deposit, earnout escrows, and clear warranties. Once signed, organize a 30-90-day overlap where the seller transfers relationships, trains staff, and hands over systems. Include retention bonuses for critical hires. Make sure legal and tax steps are completed, asset or stock election, IP assignments, and escrow instructions. If problems arise post-close with undisclosed liabilities, pause earnout payments, use indemnity clauses, and engage an advisor to negotiate remediation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.